front row at Humber North Campus. And I have with me here Callum. Hi Callum, say something.
Hello, very good to see you again, Ganga. It's been not that long, I was just in India, but very happy to have you here at Humber campus, showing you around and happy to show students what it's like out here.
So Callum, tell us about the employability rate of your programs.
Sure, so engineering, which we've just been talking about and seeing the facilities, actually has a higher employment rate than most of our programs.
Okay.
For a lot of our engineering 2-year, 3-year diplomas, the employability rate is over 90%. And that is because of our partners, right? Humber is partnered with the biggest engineering companies in the world. We have the most advanced equipment, and most of our students are able to get jobs within 6 months of graduating.
Excellent. Yeah. So Callum, tell us something about the PGWP eligibility of all your engineering programs, as well as how employable are these programs?
Sure. A really wonderful change that happened recently is all of Humber's engineering programs became PGWP eligible. That includes 2-year diplomas, 3-year advanced diplomas, and of course our bachelor degrees. There's kind of a thinking that you need to have a bachelor's to get a job. And what we've learned really clearly at Humber is that a company will have one engineer for a certain project, but then they'll have several technologists and technicians. The job market is really, really strong for people doing the diplomas and advanced diplomas in engineering. And Humber's strength, as we've seen from our visits, is that we have the most advanced equipment. If you compare us to the other colleges and polytechs, Humber is in a league of its own. We really have the most advanced equipment.
Yeah, such amazing robots and what amazingly expensive equipment. That's left me stunned.
For sure. And that's what we hope students will see when they come to campus, or even if they check our website and look at the equipment that we have. Humber is partnered with big companies like KUKA and Siemens, a lot of other great companies as well. And this center where all this is held was a recently built building that was set up by the partners that we have in the industry.
And there's a lot of focus on sustainability as well.
Absolutely, yeah. That's a recent change in programming, instead of just having civil engineering to focus on sustainable energy, because that's kind of where the market is going right now.
Yeah, thanks. And Callum, you said there's something special about this room.
Yeah, this is our training room for our Mechatronics team. There's a Mechatronics competition held across Canada. All the colleges and polytechs take part in it, and Humber has won more than all the other schools.
Awesome.
So our students who are in electromechanical or who are in Mechatronics are part of the best team in the country.
Yay!
Yeah.
Where are we now?
So we are now in the thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, and also building automation lab. It is focused for the sustainable building engineering. As you can see, this is a brand new lab, and equipment, all of them are brand new. It's being installed and for the first time being used in the fall 2026.
What do students actually learn in this lab?
The fundamentals of the thermodynamics, and thermodynamics is based for the everything about the refrigeration, cooling, and heating, and fluid dynamics as well. You can see those dots and those things. You have fans and air conditioning at home. All of them are those things.
So what kind of jobs do students get after?
Students can have jobs on the designing the sustainable building. And what's the meaning of sustainable buildings is that the building, it has the lowest amount of the energy dissipation, and they are green, and this is a huge job market at this moment. This is our electronics lab, and basically the students do a lot of embedded system practices hands-on in here, and you can see all of the equipment that we have. They are in the industrial scale, so when a student's working on that, they in the future they are going to get very similar job and career in the same way. So this is our instrumentation and automation lab, and this is one of the newest lab that we have. As you can see, that they're all custom built, and all of the equipment are the similar equipment that they use it in the industry. Workplace, sort of the automation system, automotive industry, food and packaging, all of them are using the same thing.
So these are the PLCs, and this is really the real prototype of a real workspace. And each workstation is allocated for one student only. It's not shared by many students. Like for a 2-hour class, one student will be having one workstation for that student itself.
Thank you so much, Callum. It was amazing talking to you, and thank you everyone for listening in. Do follow us on all our socials and make sure that you stay updated on the international education scene. Thank you and see you soon.